continuing here, I've found the dimension that I needed. It's 83 millimeters over there and 64 millimeters going up over there. So it's not exactly a mirroring of the stuff around. I think the first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of all the construction lines. Construction lines gone over there. Go in over here, do your parallel construction lines. Say tab 64, 64 there. And you can go to this over here, press that. I need a construction line. It's 83 divided by 2, that would be 41.5. I'm going to press tab 41.5, enter. Go in over here to the center line and click on that side. Line, click on that side. That gives me that distance that I need over there. Once I've got that, I think I can draw a little line going across over here. Just a nice outline going from there to there. And I need to draw in that 64 millimeter story. Again, go into your construction line palette, click on the circle over there, and you're going to go into that center over there. You are going to type in 64 millimeters, tab 64, enter. Right, that gives you a center over here that you can link in a 64 millimeter diameter circle. And I can now go in over here again, click on that, go to the circle, click on that over there, and you can go tab, that's a radius of 64, 64, enter. Right, as soon as you've done that, again, you're going to trim off the bits that you don't need, and life will be good. Right, what don't I need? Actually, no, sorry, I've messed up horribly over here. I need to move this circle across to that intersection over there. That was really silly of me. Just Control Z. Right, let's try that again. I need a radius going from that point over there to that point over there. Right, let's just show you how to do that. Click on that. Click on your circle over, actually we can do this one. Click on that center over there, take it out. You're going to click on there again, and sorry, went in the wrong direction, escape. Oh dear, really having one of those days. Click on there, and click where it goes there, and draw that little arc going in there. Same story on this side. Let's do that again. Do the little construction line circle, click on that, type in tab 64, enter. That gives you the center over there. I'm going to go into my circle, click on that center over there, click on that, go to that point over there, click on that, click on it again, and you can then go down to there, giving me that little arc in there perfectly. Right. Okay, the next thing that I need is a distance of 310 going all the way up here. So I'm going to get my construction lines again, click on that, tab 310 millimeters, enter. That takes you right to the top of this thing, click on there. All right, 310 millimeter up to the very top. It says that I've got a radius of 64 millimeters that I need to put at the top over there. I'm going to just go tab, construction lines again, tab, highlight that little block, type in 64, enter. Click on that line over there, bring it down so that I've got the center that I need. And I'm going to then just extend my center line up here. Let's just do that. There's my center line. Let's just extend it all the way up there. Right, once I've got that, I've got the center that I need in order to draw that diameter of 64. Press that, go to the circle, go into the center there, type tab, that's the radius, and you type in 64 millimeters. Press enter. Right, the next thing is that I need a line to go from this point over here and connect as a tangent to that circle. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'm going to go line from that corner, and I need to make a tangent to that. Now, you can see it's automatically wanting to snap to all sorts of things over here. I want to snap specifically to a tangent. So I go right click, I go to properties. Sorry, let's just get a brain again. Cancel. I want snap options, okay? So I go over here to modes, snaps, okay? And I want a tangent. Click on the tangent over there. Now when it comes up here, it straight away is going to click to a tangent. Right, I'm going to draw another line coming from there. I need it to click to the tangent. It is set to tangent, so click on there, and I now have those two lines going as tangents to that circle over there, and I can now just trim away that last little piece of the circle to get the same as the drawing. Trimming on the tangent and on the tangent. Remember to press enter and click on the circle that you don't want. After that, edit, clear all constructions. Right, now that drawing is really very, very big, and if I had to try and take that across onto my paper space, it would not fit. So the next thing to do is to try and figure out what scale this drawing can fit best onto that layout space. We start out and we go to View, and we are going to go to Name Views, Create a View. Go in there, select that whole story over there, press OK. Go into your layout space now. Go to View, go down to Viewport, select Viewport, click on that corner over there, slide it out to that corner over there, go to View 1, go to close it, and there it is. Right, that is on the page, but what sort of scale is it? Okay, I'm going to go in here, select it, using the selection arrow, do a little right click over here, go to Properties, go to Viewport over here, come down to where it says Scale over there, click on the scale, and it says 1:4.38. Right, I think that that is close enough to 1:5, which is a much nicer scale. Go 1:5 over there and press OK. Right, I now know that my drawing is done to a scale 1:5, and I now go back to Model. All right, if I had to start drawing dimensions straight onto this, okay, click that. Let's just do line, click that, line. Right. If you look over here, the dimension is so tiny that you can't see it. It's just too small. It's not going to come out on layer space. So I need to adjust the size of my writing on this thing and the size of my arrows and everything so that I can actually read it. I'm just going to go Control Z to get rid of that. Go right click, go to Properties over here. Okay, go to Format over there. Sorry, Format. And you'll see over here, it says Dimension, Size, Scale. So what is the dimension that I'm wanting to use? It is a dimension of 1:5. So I'm going to change that 1 over there to a 5. Press Enter. That will change all your dimensions to a size that you'll be able to see. You can see that is much better now. I'll be able to read that on my drawing, and I can now go around this drawing and put all the dimensions on. Right, so just remember your dimension, you don't want it to have that orientation, so just make sure that you change that. Just going to go to Control Z, get rid of it. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go to Properties again. You'll see over here it says Force Text Horizontal. Make sure that it is unclicked. Make sure that that says Keep Dimension Line with Text. Press OK, and then you can carry on doing your dimensions and they'll come out just beautifully. There is a line over here which I want to get a line length on there. Going over there, you can see over there it's a parallel dimension line. Click on that. Going over here, click on that, and you then can get the dimension drawn in which would be parallel to the line that you are requiring over there. I think doing radiuses and all of that sort of thing, remember when you're doing full circles, use diameter. When you're doing little radiuses, use radius. And you can go ahead and do all the dimensions. Don't forget to put that 83 in there. That would be flipping brilliant. I see that there are two little tabs that I've forgotten to put on. Let's just do that quickly. It says that it's a diameter of 54, and I haven't given you the dimension going out there. I'll have to find out what that is.